Hey team, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. If you are new to this channel, this is Keep Free Cooking with Ada, and you are welcome. On here we'll cook without seasoning cubes or powders, the healthiest way to live. Yes, and today on our menu we have some yummy juice to make. Yes, you guys know that this is harmattan season, so your throat is always dry, in fact there's dehydration on the high side. Yeah, and then the way that people mostly keep themselves hydrated is by taking a lot of water. But here is another way to keep yourself hydrated, not just by taking ordinary water, but by juicing. Yeah, when you go juicing, that way you have a lot of other nutrients that you're packing into the body. You'll be helping the body to also fortify itself. Yeah, you're boosting up the immune system because there is really a lot, of yama yama flying in the air this season. Yeah, so today we have pineapple, watermelon, and carrot juice to make. So let us just prep and then go dive into the video. So we are starting with the washing of our fruits. You're going to be washing with a lot of salt, plenty of water, and even sponge. Yes, I wash my watermelon with soap and sponge because you all know that these guys, the Malam people, they get to throw these things around in different, unhealthy places, contaminated places. So you have to wash. First of all, I use salt when I know that I must have gotten the germs on the body, killed or destroyed. Then I use soap and sponge to wash off that. Yeah, okay, you all know this season, like I said in one of my videos, you need a lot of vitamin C's in your body. Yes, that's what we need for our immune system boosting, a lot of vitamin C. And natural fruits are where you find these things in abundance. Forget about going to the chemist or to the pharmacy to get the vitamin C tablet and all of that. If you want to have it the healthiest way, go eat your fruits. Yeah, so these three basic fruits that you see in here have a lot of these things packed in them, amongst other stuffs. Yeah, the video that I made about the watermelon rind, that's the peel, says a lot of what the watermelon already contains. So we have the carrot here has a lot to offer to your skin. Your carrot is very good to your skin. Your pineapple is very good to your skin. And then the watermelon too, the lycopene there is very good to your skin. And even the aphrodisiac effects of watermelon and pineapple. All right. So you guys, you can do yourself the honor of Googling more to find out what and what you'll be gaining by, juicing on these fruits. All right. So I'm just going to, pause here, and then you already know there's nothing much to explain. So I'm just going to leave talking. I'm just going to stop talking here and then finish up with the video. Please, before you leave, kindly like this video, comment on this video, share this video to your friends, to your family. Somebody might really need this video. Yes, thank you guys so much, and God bless you as you keep supporting me. who is going to be trying this? This is the beauty that we have ready to save our skin and our system. Yeah, so you guys go and try it. It was so yummy, and I promise you it's so healthy. If you can keep repeating this like 3 times in a week and you are very observant, you will come back and give me a testimony of number 1, the evidence you're going to be seeing on your skin, and then the other room. Sure you understand? Okay, till I see you in my next video, stay safe and bye bye.